Listening 25. Listen and read. Learn how to do the project. 1,
OK, what's first?
Stick colourful paper on the wall. Use a light.
I've got the paper. Which colour would you like?
I'd like yellow, please.
2,
Take turns. Sit on the chair or trace.
I can draw first.
OK, I can sit on the chair.
Don't move.
3,
Right. What's next? Cut out the shape.
Please can I use the scissors?
Yes, here you are.
4,
Write a description of your friend.
OK. I'm writing about you.
Great! I can write about you. She's got curly hair.
5,
Stick your description. Write the name on the back.
OK. Please can I have the glue?
Yes. Here you are.
6,
Last thing. Look, read, and guess who?
Right. Let's show the others.
Look, Tang. Can you guess who this is?
I don't know.